Hello everybody, welcome to your channel. In this video I'm going to talk about some verbs that we usually hear it in kitchen and the differences between them. These verbs include whisk, stir, beat, and mix. So don't miss this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful. At first, I'm going to start with mix. Mix is the general verb. You can use it when you are combining two or more ingredients together. You can, for example, mix with your hands, with a spoon, or any other tool. Here, I have an easy example for you. For example, oil and water don't mix. That's easy. Now let's move on the word stir. Stir means to mix a liquid or other substance by moving an object, such as a spoon, in a circular pattern. For example, if you want to use it in a sentence, you can say, "Next, I will stir in the wet ingredients until just combined." Means that person is stirring with a spoon or other circular pattern. Now the next word is whisk, means to beat eggs, cream, and etc. with a special tool in order to add air and make the food light. For example, whisk the eggs and cream together. Now let's move on the last word, which is beat. Beat means to mix something repeatedly using stuff such as a spoon or whisk, but it is more general. For example, if you want to use the word beat in a sentence, you can say, "Slowly beat the sugar into the butter." Okay? And here's the thing. These four words, beat, whisk, stir, and mix, have got the same meaning, and we can say that somehow they are synonym. However, in detail, they are different. Okay guys, that was the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful for you, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.